get your first photography sale. Welcome to my photography business channel. My name is Rosh. This video is part of a series of 31 videos that I'm creating in the month of May to support you with your photography business. If you're just getting started or rebooting your photography business, take a look in the description below. I have a link to a PDF with some very good questions that just might help you out. A lot of us get into the photography business not wanting to think about business and especially sales. You don't want to come across as a salesperson. You want to find people who are enthusiastic and want to buy your photography. However, if you want to survive as a photographer and build a photography business, you really do need to take sales seriously. No matter how you approach your photography sales, whether you're a hard-nosed cold caller or use a consultative approach building relationships, or you're a big-time networker, it doesn't matter. The bottom line is that sales is a numbers game. I recently created a video for photographers about negotiations, and I think it pairs really well with this video because many of the themes are the same. Whether you're selling or negotiating, you need to put yourself in the client or customer's shoes. Understand why people want to buy your type or style of photography. Now, we talk about brand, and that can certainly increase the value of your photography for many people because they want you specifically to take their photographs. However, there are some basics within the sales process that I think you need to understand. One of the keys is to understand your sales process, what works best for you. We talk about our unique success combination. There's actually a code, 7531, and the 3 stands for processes. Understanding that you should have 3 processes within your business that you're continuously working on and improving, such as customer service, and sales most certainly should be at the top of the list. Continuously test new ways to present your photography in a way that gets people excited. Help people understand why you. Do you have a story? What is your photography business story? Your story as a photographer and the journey that people might want to participate in, be a part of. Stories are really powerful, especially when developing a word picture that helps people understand why they should select you and what they will get out of it by hiring you. One of the biggest mistakes that salespeople make, including photographers trying to sell their work, make is that they don't ask for the sale. Asking for the sale is crucial. If you want to increase your close rate, if you want more customers, you need to learn how to ask for the sale in a way that people are comfortable, trust you, and say yes. How about your follow-up process? How many times are you going to follow up, and what methods are you going to use to follow up? Are you going to use phone calls, emails, texts, Facebook? How many times are you going to follow up to schedule that first meeting? And how many times are you going to follow up with that prospect to close the deal? So there should be a process, a number of times that you follow up. Whether it's once, twice, or 10 times, that is up to you based on your experience. But you also need to understand when you need to let it go. If somebody doesn't respond to you after a week, do you let it go and now focus on your current clients and new prospects? You need to make that determination, but understanding that you have to have that cutoff line is really going to improve your sales. The reason being is that you don't want to spend unnecessary time and energy with a prospect that is not going to buy from you. Yes, somebody may follow up again a few months later, but that is the exception, not the rule. If somebody really wants to work with you, they will follow up with you. They will answer your phone calls. So you don't want to waste that energy. Take that energy and use it to find new prospects and take care of your current clients. Take advantage of the fact that sales is a numbers game. How many networking events do you need to go to before you get a sale? How many meetings do you need to take before you close a wedding? How many art directors do you need to meet before you get a job? It's important to understand what those numbers are so you can understand how much energy you need to put into your sales process to earn the type of business you deserve. Sales does not have to be hard, just have fun and get out there and meet people. It's about being in circulation, it's about asking for the sale and following up. If you can do those three things, get out there, ask for the sale, and follow up, you're gonna be ahead of most salespeople. I'll see you in the next video.